So now let's see how we can work around with bubbles effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the bubbles effect, first of all, you need to go ahead and select out this particular image. Then what you need to do is go under effects menu right here. And then what you need to do is go around over here under, let's say for example, under the texture section. And over here you can see that bubbles is an option. Once you go ahead and do that, you get different bubbles, as you can see, just like this. And I can simply go ahead and change around the diameter just like this. And then you can also go ahead and change around the coverage right here just like this. So if I were to go ahead onto the light direction, then you can see that this is what I have right here. You can also go ahead and change around the refraction level right here, and you get the output accordingly, as you can see right here. And this is how you can go ahead and then work around with the bubble effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.